So it's currently 4 o'clock on a Friday, and this is the traffic on Cornwallis right now. So, if someone but still, I feel like even though, you do have some space coming right off of that, road, it's not like a summit where you would feel like, I still feel like, 2 cars could turn in there, get the gate open, and then once they pull in, you've got this, you could probably get 2 cars here where I'm parked. If I backed in more, you would have the 2 cars in here. I think it's just much better than that single tiny, 1 car lane only from the house yesterday. Little basketball hoop there, which is kind of fun. Don't really notice that. Yeah. And I have a clicker right now to have the gate open. Quite a bit of cars coming through there now, but